Very good morning, guys. Welcome to the best lectures of SM nationwide. Yes, guys, welcome to the RTP revision test paper discussion for January 26 exam. Hope your revisions are going amazing, mind blowing, excellent. Okay, now RTP is also must. Why should we do RTP? So we know what kind of questions can be asked in exams. Okay, so you get to know the question pattern, the exam pattern. That is why RTP discussion is must. Of course, RTP is very easy. Sir, before you start RTP, I want to ask you one question. Please ask how to revise. See, every chapter, amazingly, we have uploaded all the chapters, marathon revision, amazing revision with a timeline of each topic, each chapter. Inside chapter, we have done topic. Entire marathon is uploaded on Yash's Academy channel. Watch that marathon 5 times. Even if you want, you cannot get less marks. You have to try a lot to get less marks, but you will not get. Watch that 5 times. It will help you a lot. It's already uploaded. Now let's start with the MCQ of first is of course MCQ, and then we have descriptive ones in the RTP. Okay, let's start. First is a case study question. Let us read. The world needs to move fast at a speed of innovation that makes 6 months look like 60 years. Means we need to move fast. Okay. Jayanta R, founder of HEFA IO, while speaking at technology conference at Hyderabad. So there is some person, Jayanta, is saying that we need to move fast in world. We know. In US, Jayanta was working as machine learning research scholar when he stuck upon idea of technology research being automated. So he wanted to automate research. Okay. He thought what could happen if computer could innovate themselves. World will change forever. His idea took shape of boutique AI consultancy Hefia IO. So he made some AI consultancy Hefia. Okay, understood. HEFA had one vision to speed up innovation. So they hired scholars from across the globe. Okay. So they wanted to make a AI app. So they hired people everywhere. Someone from Australia, France, Sweden, Malaysia. Okay. All virtually, no real organization structure. Of course, the one question will be here. Tell me, in which there is no organization structure, everything is scattered in different area. It is called non-structure. Do you remember several structures? Simple, functional, divisional. It's network. So I think this answer will be there. Come here, come here, come here. FIA's initial structure was characterized by several scholars at different place. It's not a real structure. Okay. Heavily relies on coordination. This is known as network. I hope you understood. If concept is clear, case study is time pass. I hope you know in network everything is dispersed. There is no real structure. Every work is given to different place. The company was going great in customer acquisition and profitability. About 150 of Fortune 500 company had relation with FIA, bringing 12 million earning. But the company was disappointed by their own speed of growth, which was contrary to their vision and thereby a joke at many conference. So company was doing great, but the growth was not there. So many people were saying, what AI, third class AI. Okay, continue. FIA had by now been seen invest as aggressive, crazy computer that wanted to change world with computer without caring about heat generated on server built on agriculture land, damaging crop, even harming employment. So see, if more and more AI will be used, data center will be used, computer will be used, environment will not be good, there will be pollution. People will lose job instead of 10. I need one person now. Okay, and one more is there. Servers are heated, crops are damaged. To move away, they moved their focus to India, land of technically skilled labor along with ease of doing business. In India, still pollution is not a concern. Why it is not a concern? Because development is only not there. Pollution and all come once you have lots of money. Okay, so if your income is 80 lakh, 1 crore, then you think, oh my, how to breathe. Here in India, basic income not there with majority people. Okay. Entering India will help them dodge, means remove environmental concern. If you don't understand much, it's okay. Case study, just we are reading. Concept clarity is must. But future scare of unemployment was great. Jayanta met many leaders but could not catch attention until Harsh G came, the young scientist of LifeMind, met him in Mumbai and offered help. LifeMind had a wrong running reputation of being a socially awake enterprise which reinvested earning in India. Jayanta could not have asked for a better partner, so he met some partner. This partnership helped them to overcome a political backlash, and even the sharpest mind in Indian tech joined the company. Okay. What helped Jayanta was innovation to enter the future, but do not destroy the present. Okay, not understood much. FIA has opted ECL. Okay, okay, understood, understood. Let us read now. After coming to India, HEFA decided to make innovation under holistic innovation. Means don't only think computer, overall growth. Holistic is complete growth. Which level strategy is this? Tell me. They decided to come to India and focused on overall growth. These things are decided by whom? It is decided by Pune, middle level or top level. You tell me. You tell me. Of course, top level. So it's which strategy? Corporate level. For this case study was not required. Second, the move by Hefia to shift the, had I not read case study, still I would have known second point. Read. The move by Hefia to shift existing services to new Indian market. See, earlier I was giving service Australia, now I am giving in India. What is new? Only market has changed. Market, same product, new market, same product, new market. Market development. Same service in India, market development. Last point, the public perception and ethical backlash concerning environmental damage, technology unemployment. See, environment, technology, which affected Hefia. It is which factor of pest play? Is it political? No, environment doesn't come under political. Technology may come, economic no, socio culture. Basically culture was affected, so it comes under socio. Environmental also can come, but people losing employment, not supporting, all that is part of socio culture. It's a broader point. Hefia is giving, see, had I not read case, still I would have known. Hefia is giving futuristic high value added AI solution. If you give excellent product, okay, what is this called? Tell me, what is this? Is it cost leadership? No. It nowhere tells that we will sell at cheaper cost. Is it differentiation? Absolutely yes. High quality, best services is differentiation. Simple. Moving on. Question number 2. A mid-sized company notices a rapid increase in demand of smart home devices. Very good. It decided to redesign the product while the competitors are still thinking. Competitor thinking, shall we do, shall we not do, shall we do, shall we not do, shall we do, shall we not do. But which company? This mid-size has already said from beginning only we are being active. We will make smart home device because that is what customer wants. What is this called? Proactive approach. Proactive is planned. Reactive is adaptive. It's a proactive approach. EcoRide, a Indian electric scooter company, faces competition from EV startup, giving affordable model. Battery suppliers have started raising the cost while customers now compare multiple brand before purchasing online. So there are few points here. Number one, it's an electric scooter company. Okay, many companies are there, Ather, Ola, facing lot of competition. Customers are also now comparing several brands. Petrol people are also coming, Honda, TVS, Bajaj also coming in EV. EcoRide wants to maintain profit while market is growing. Which force poses great threat to EcoRide's profitability? Is it substitute? No. Is it bargaining power of supplier? Not really. Rivalry among competitors. New brands are coming, existing also coming. Rivalry among competitors. If you know, there are five forces in Porter: bargaining power of buyer, bargaining power of supplier, threat of new entrant, nature of rivalry, threat of substitute. In that inside module also it is given. Rivalry is most serious. Of course, here they've given multiple hints. Had they not given also, which is the most important factor? Greatest threat, rivalry. Always remember. Next question. A financial service company wants to launch a mobile first platform. The strategy is clearly defined and systems are automated. Employees are unfamiliar with technology and leadership style, slowing down decision making. So employees don't like two things: technology and leadership style. Okay. Due to leadership style, decisions are coming slow. Management wants new things. Which 7S needs alignment? There are several S. Okay, McKinsey 7S to achieve effectiveness. Which S is lacking here? Style of leadership. So style will come. A, simple. Fifth point. In automobile, there are several firms like Speedomotor and Turbo that are in mid-range. So mid-range Maruti and Hyundai, focusing on fuel efficiency. Meanwhile, Mercedes and BMW, I'm just taking Indian example, dominate the premium segment. Understood, sir? Each group has its own pricing and marketing. Okay, what does this indicate? See, in mid segment you have two branches, in premium in lower we have two. Is this alliance? Absolutely no. Is this strategic group mapping? Yes, strategic group mapping tells classify all companies into high range, low range, medium range. You only have to look at your group which has similar approaches to you. So it is strategic group mapping. Correct, it is. Next, Technova, a leading US robotic company, partnered with Mactron India Private Limited. Very good. To jointly design and manufacture industrial robot. What they want to make? Industrial robot. Two companies coming together. Why to compete when you can collaborate together? It's alliance. Very simple. From first line I came to know. This and this jointly coming is alliance. Both company agree to share technology, production and reduce cost. See, both are independent, still they are coming. What is this? Alliance. Simple. Moving on. Now, case study is over. MCQ over. Now we have descriptive. Two questions per chapter. How many chapter we have? 5. So 10 questions. Simple. Read. Aqua Pure Beverages is a reputed bottled water and healthy drink making fierce competition from new entrant making organic, flavored, eco-friendly alternatives. There are a lot of other people. This has made it challenging to retain customer as soft drink brands are also launching their own healthy fruit beverages. So this is a bottled water and healthy drink. They are facing a lot of competition. Company appointed Somia. So they make healthy drinks and water bottle. Somia to lead sales and marketing. So Somia is a marketing manager. Which level is this called? Corporate level, business or functional? If you manage just one function, it's functional level. Somya needs to design advertising campaign to gain competitive edge. Very good. Identify which level is Somya. Somya is at functional level. Highlights the benefit of SM. Very time pass. Which level is Somya? Very simple, functional level. And then you have to write benefit of SM. Benefit of SM straightforward from Magic. Of course, you have to write little detailed. Otherwise, very simple. See here. Straightforward question. No relation with case study. Proactive LCD. It helps us in being proactive rather than reactive. It helps in increasing longevity of business by analyzing environment. It serves as a corporate defense mechanism against mistake or pitfall. It helps to develop core competency and competitive advantage. Decision, direction, decision. It gives framework for all major decisions of the enterprise. It gives direction to the company to go ahead. Simple. Same points repeat. Just let us check, is it correct? Correct. It has to be correct, but just see here. Same thing they have written. Detailed. Moving on. A company's mission is focused on present business scope. Yes, mission is who we are, what we do, why do we do, the way we do. What is the significance of mission? Why should we have a mission? Straightforward question. Again, magic book. Those who don't know what's a magic book is we finish entire syllabus in roughly 36 pages. Significance. Why should we have a mission? To ensure common purpose within the organization, to establish general tone of the organization. It gives me basis for allocating organization resource. It gives me basis for motivating the use of organization resource, to serve as a focal point for organization purpose and direction. Same point. It gives work structure for achieving objective and goal. It will specify organization purpose. Translate that purpose into goal that can be assessed in cost, time, and performance. Parameter. Copy paste. Moving on. Chapter number 2. Strategic analysis. External, internal, external. Read. Ria owns a confectionery business in Jaipur, specializing in candy and chocolate. So Ria sitting free at home, okay, not able to uh, nothing, chocolate and candy. Despite holding a substantial market share, her business has experienced declining sale. So sales of Ria are declining. Very good. Concerned about market, Ria consults an expert to explain a comprehensive understanding of landscape. Explain steps to be followed by Ria to understand competitive landscape. In competitive landscape, we have 5 points. Identify the competitor, understand the competitor, determine the strength of competitor, determine the weakness of competitor, put all information together. Simple. Come here. Copy paste from magic book entire RTP, MTP. Paper will also come. Come here. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't know, sir. See you. Identify the competitor. Understand the competitor. Direct question. Just read the last line, baby. Determine strength, determine weakness, put all information together. Moving on. As per Michael Forces, intense rivalry reduces the attractiveness and profitability. In what situation rivalry is more? Straightforward question from Porter. In following situation, rivalry is more. When industry has no leader, there are a lot of competitors. Fixed cost, exit barrier. Fixed cost, exit barrier. Product differentiation, slow growth. Copy paste from magic book again. Boom again, we gonna continue roller coaster ride. See here. Rivalry is more when profits are less. When industry has no leader. There are a lot of why you are not liking video? Like, comment, share with 50,000 people. Fixed cost, exit barrier, product differentiation, slow growth. Simple. Sir, where do we revise all this? Revision lecture already uploaded. Please see, please see, please. Okay, understood. Chapter 3. After external, baby, it's the time for internal. EcoBuild, a leading infrastructure, is planning to launch a large-scale smart city project. Project involve multiple stakeholders like government, supplier, community, environment to ensure smooth execution. And stakeholder, how can EcoBuild? See, we need to manage about several stakeholders because you are developing smart city Dholera. They are trying to develop Dholera since 15 years. Dholera not developed. But when you develop smart city, I need to keep in mind several stakeholders. How can we use Mendello matrix to analyze stakeholder? Mendello tells divide all stakeholder into two parts based on power interest, high power high interest key player, low power low interest low priority, high power low interest lot of power but very less interest government of India keep satisfied, high interest low power lot of interest but not the employee keep informed. I hope you. So how to classify? They are saying number 1, identify all stakeholders. Number 2, divide stakeholder based on power interest. Third, plot where they are and based on that fit. Very simple. Mendello. See here. Mendello, where are you? Mendello is saying I am here only. See here. High power, high interest, key player. Low power, low interest, low power. High power keeps it. Clear, same. Let's see what ICI has given. Identify stakeholder. This general. Assess power interest. Put them in several. And after that, just write 4 lines. Over. Shall we go ahead? Yes, sir. Write a keynote on strategic driver. Driver are those things that will differentiate my strategy as compared to others. There are four drivers: industry and market. In that, what you sell, product, service. To whom you sell, customer. How? Through channel. Simple. You just have to write five lines about each. Oh my God. So simple. Yes, baby. Straightforward question. Moving on. Moving on. Re-innovate. Innovate and then okay. Is manufacturing consumer appliance since 2010 and has been performing well till 2022. Very good. However, the market share is declining. Oh, is it turnaround? I don't know. Company started incoming loss. Employee morale also down because sale not coming. Board of director of company decided to continue operation by improving efficiency. To achieve this, they are making a brilliant plan which involve change in strategic direction and revamp of top level. They want to completely change top level. Very good, very good. Which strategy they should do? See, to change top level, okay, which strategy? Stages of action plan. It's turnaround. In retrenchment there are three stages: turnaround, divestment, liquidation. Here they are not selling business, they just want to change. It's turnaround. And always remember, action plan is always only for turnaround. And it's a very important question, I've already told you multiple times. So action plan for turnaround we have to write. Very simple. Assessment of current problem, analyze situation and develop a strategic plan, implement emergency action plan, restructuring the business, returning to normal, restructuring the business, returning to normal. Done. Simple. People mix, product mix. What do I explain? Straightforward question. There is a case study, but there is nothing like case. Explain product market growth matrix by Igor Ansoff. Ansoff has said whenever you want to grow, there are four ways to grow: market penetration, market development, product development, diversification. Same product, same market, little change is what? Market penetration. Same product, new market, market development. Same market, new product, product development. Market also new, product also new, very risky. Diversification. Copy paste. Copy paste. Hey, no, don't save. See here. Market penetration, market development, product development, diversification. Last chapter, baby. Strategy implementation and evaluation. Brightwave, small and mid-sized company, wants to adopt latest technology to improve the processes and offering. Company wants to gain competitive edge in renewable energy market. Brightwave wants to manage continuous change while transforming management practice. Identify strategy required for digital transformation. Whenever you want to do digital transformation by small and mid-sized company, what are five best practices or strategies for change by small and mid-sized company? Also preferred practice. Straightforward question. Five best practices used by company for digital change. Straightforward. Come here. See, 4 5 hint are given. Small and mid-size also they have given. Practices or strategy began at the top. Ensure change is both necessary and desired. When you bring too much change, people will say reduce disruption. Okay. How to reduce? By encouraging communication. Recognize change is a norm and not an exception. Straightforward answer. Begin at the top. Change is both necessary and desired, but when you bring too much change, people will speak against. Reduce disruption. How? Encouraging communication. Recognize change is a norm and not an exception. I think same will be given. Yep. See, copy paste. Last question, guys. RTP over. Nothing hard is there in RTP, time pass RTP. Explain how organization can manage strategic uncertainty. Lot of uncertainty, baby. How to manage? How to manage? Various approach are there to manage uncertainty. It's a part of module. You should be a little flexible. Okay. Make multiple products diversification. One doesn't work, another will work. A scenario planning. What will happen if this is scenario? This is scenario. Election we do know. What if he gets more seat? What if he gets more seat like that? You should be resilient and collaborate with other people to manage uncertainty. Simple. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did putting it up forward for you. Entire RTP we have done. Make sure you watch revision marathon uploaded multiple times. You watch it. Every time extra you watch, your confidence will increase. Thank you so much. Take care.